Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Shannon. Happy Friday. It is Friday, middle of February, and I'm just enjoying end of the week glass of wine, and I'm trying on some clothes from Amazon Try Before You Buy. Amazon Try Before You Buy is sort of a discount option for Style Box. You can go in and fill your box with 6 items that they'll send to you, and you can try them on before you choose to purchase them. So it's been a while since I did one. I do think there are some good items in there, but it's a little hit or miss. It also takes time because you have to fill your own box. So I have on the first piece. Let me step back. This is an Amazon Essentials. It's a midi length shirt dress in bright pink. As you guys know, I'm kind of obsessed with pink. This is 100% viscose. So when it came out of the box, it was very, very wrinkly. But I did steam it and it does look nice now. It does have buttons all the way down the front, and they do stay nice and closed. This is a large. It has a drawstring waist, which I like for a shirt dress, kind of adds a little definition. The drawstring is a little high on me because my belly button's here, but it still does the job. It has a little bit of a poofy sleeve detail. And of course it has pockets, and it has a really, really nice, pretty color. This is $35. So I do think this is cute. It definitely would be cute for spring. It definitely is very modest for work. It kind of feels almost school teachery to me. I'm not a school teacher, but definitely office appropriate. It would look cute. You could add a belt, you could add a blazer, you could add a cardigan, you know, fun accessories. So I do like this. It's interesting to see if you'd have to steam it every time, and hopefully it wouldn't be too much of a mess by the end of the day in terms of wrinkles. All right, let's keep trying stuff on. All right, so next I have on a hot pink slip dress by The Drop, which is also an in-house Amazon brand. They actually, I think, bring in designers to create pieces, and they have collections, and it's actually really fun. So this is $34. It is a midi length as well. It has slits on both sides. It is, like I said, a hot pink, and it's just sort of a traditional kind of silky, satiny, thin, I'm sure it's polyester, slip dress. It is fun. I'm always kind of a little sensitive about this middle area, but this is kind of fun. Let me do a turn. I'm not sure I turned for you the last time, but we'll do it here. I don't know if I need this, and I actually feel like if I had this, I might wear it with like a denim jacket. Actually, I'm going to grab a denim jacket and try that for you guys. But like I said, I think it's fun, and of course, I like love pink, so it's fun. All right, guys, so here it is with a little light wash denim jacket that I thrifted a while ago. Just help cover up a little bit of this middle section. What do you guys think? Is this worth keeping? It is super fun. I don't think the price is crazy at all, but it's also very like limited piece. This is definitely like a date night or a girls' night out or summer evening kind of dress. Not something I could pull off for work. Let me know what you think, and I will keep going through this box. All right, I have on 2 more pieces. So this is a 100% cotton sweater in a size large by Amazon Essentials. It is a lilac purple color. It's very pretty in terms of color. I don't know if I love like the neckline and just the fit of it. It feels a little thick. So this is $29. So it's a no, but it's not terrible. And then I have on a pair of Amazon Essential jeans. I think they do come on longer inseams, so that's why I tried them. These are a size 12 in a straight leg. These don't look great on me. They just look too tight, kind of around this hip area. So these are also a no. They are $35 though, so you know, it's worth a try. I have 2 more tops to show you guys. All right, next I have on this little Gap velvet, they call it dark cherry colored puff sleeved top by, like I said, Gap. This is $35. I feel like this had been sitting in my cart for a long time, and I just threw it in there on this order. It's a nice little top. It definitely has more of like a holiday or fall vibe to it. Not something I feel that I need to add to my wardrobe. I'll do a quick spin. All right, I have 1 more shirt to show you guys. Okay, last I have on this Amazon Essentials V-neck tee. This is $17, size large. It's in mustard. I was hoping it'd be a little more yellow, but it definitely isn't a flattering cut. It feels comfortable. It's cute. I'm not going to get it though. All right, guys, so those were my 6 pieces from my Amazon Try Before You Buy box. I definitely think the 2 dresses were the standout pieces. One is more work appropriate. One is definitely more va-va-voom date night. but I'm not sure if I need any of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you guys like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon. Happy weekend.